Hi, it's Barnabas from Pure Content Productions, and today I'm going to show you how to use Runway's powerful image to video tool to create stunning clips perfect for adding flavor to your video productions. Stay tuned. So let's do this. I'm going to ask ChatGPT help me to create an image of some spices being added to a video inside an editor timeline, but make it look like how you would add spices to food. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh, that's brilliant. Okay, cool. So video spice. So let's open this up. And when you get it on Apple, you have to open up like this, and then you have to export it. So then you go to File, Export, and you can export it as a JPEG or you can export it as a PNG. PNG is usually a better quality, so we'll just export it as that, and we'll call it Video Spice. And I'll just save that into my downloads. Okay, let's get another image as well. Generate a second image in the same style. Some spices being chopped. Oh, I like that. So then we open this up again. So you have to click Open with Preview inside of Apple, and then you click Export, and then you can save that as spices being chopped. PNG, perfect. So now what we're going to do, help me write a prompt to bring this picture to life in Runway Gen-3 Image to video. And then I'll just copy that image, the first one it gave, so it knows. Make sure the prompt adheres to Runway's best prompt practices for image to video, concentrating on the movement of objects in the picture, and that the prompt is not too long but is concise, fitting within the prompt limit. So spices that float and shake above a video editor timeline, pouring from a spoon into the timeline below. The spices swirl, mix and settle into the video layers, creating vibrant effects as they interact with the timeline. Gentle camera movement follows the spices as they swirl and blend into the video project, enhancing the scene with colourful motion. So we're just taking that now into Runway, or on the Runway website, and get started. I already have a login. Click on this Get Started button, and then you can select your assets here. So you can see I've been doing a lot of different things, and I'm going to go into Downloads where I saved those images, and my first one is Video Spice. There it is. The standard is 10 seconds if you don't change it, but I've got mine set to 5 seconds already. So I've just pasted the prompt in there, and you can choose first or last frame. I'll just put this as the first frame and click Generate. So that's in the queue now. And we'll quickly go back and get it to do the same for the second one. Excellent. Right, let's see this first video that we've got here. Yeah, it's interesting. So I'll click Download, and that's downloading now. So now I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to delete this image, select from the assets, and then upload another image here. spices being chopped. Open that one up. And let's just copy and paste this prompt into here and generate. So we'll get that first one and we'll add that into the timeline. As you can see, it's here and it's video spices being added. Video spices timeline. In CapCut here, click import. You could drag and drop it in here as well, but it's just as easy to go like this. Click downloads and then you'll see spices timeline chop import. Here it is. Just going to add that to the timeline. Adapt, it usually is not quite the full size of a 19 by 16 frame, so then you can just upscale it until it fills the frame. About 107. Let's see if that second one is finished now. Oh yeah, I've got some nice chopping going on there. And this time I'll just drag and drop it over to give you an example of that way. So then you drag and drop it over like that. Cool. So then I'm going to add that to the timeline too. Click plus, adapt the color, and then 107. Stay tuned. And that's how you can easily create animated video clips in Runway's image to video generator. On this channel, Pure Content Productions, I'm going to be bringing you the latest and greatest tools in the AI video production space. Also looking at the current tools that are available as well, such as cameras, phones, microphones, video editing apps like CapCut, and tools that will make your video production process smooth and more efficient and more creative. So make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below this video. Let me know your thoughts, what's interesting to you, what you've been making, and if you stayed this long to the end of the video, here's another video you'll probably be interested in.